So if you couldn't tell by the intro, today we're gonna go into the nether. Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video. So in today's video, I want to build a nether hub. And I've actually never done this. It's my first time. And I'm very excited to do it. So what I want to do is I want to have a path with walls that are themed around my forest base I have. And the path I'll be building will actually turn into a path. Well, not of course it's a path, but it's gonna turn into a bridge. And I'm gonna make sure the bridge is low enough that it's level with a nether fortress, which I found off camera. And the reason why I just want to connect it is because I just want to have a safer way to actually getting to the fortress if I ever am gonna need to find blaze rods for a future video where I go to feed the Ender Dragon or something. But yeah, this video is gonna be mostly all time lapse. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video. So guys, I've come back into the overworld here just so I can look at a block palette that I could possibly use for the tunnel that I will be building. But first, we sleep. Oh, the house might actually be a good block palette, actually. Use the stone, brick, and stone as the bottom part. And use our stripped oak logs as the wall. And our deep slate and spruce as the ceiling part. I like that, smart. I think it's the block palette I'm going to use. Because that's what every single house uses, this block palette. Besides for the deep slate. I only use it on the main house. Maybe you could use oak leaves too. Okay, well, I think now we have the block palette. So let's head back into the nether. So I think for the frame of the portal, I'm just gonna make it look like a tree. Kind of like the tree I built to come into the nether. And that is the frame of the portal. The next thing is to build the walls. Alright guys, so this is probably take me a while. So I'm gonna see you guys when I am done building the tunnel. So yeah, I think it turned out great. We have our wall design from all the houses, and the roof design from the big main house, aka my house. So I really used spruce slabs and deep slate brick slabs, and I just think this place has turned out amazing. The time has come to build the bridge leading to the fortress. So I have a feeling this is gonna take a while. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the time lapse. Guys, that is the bridge. Finally complete. This took me around 2 to 3 hours to do. So it wasn't that bad. But I'm just glad it's done. And I'm proud of it too, because I've never built a nether hub before. I never really built a nether. But yeah, I'm so proud of this. And I definitely think this would be something I would totally do again, because I will be building more villages and towns in my world. And I'm gonna well, not half, but if I want, I would probably put a nether portal inside of the village, so I can easily access it from the nether. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my content, feel free to watch them. I'm Devoided, and I'll see you guys in the next video.